In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide any post or item from your timeline on Facebook. So if you had posted something and you want to temporarily move it out of Facebook, you can simply hide it by moving to archives. For instance, I have just made this post and I'd like to hide it from my profile. So to do this, go to your profile or just tap on your name, and then you'll see all the posts or items that you have on your profile. Now from this, identify the post that you want to hide, and for my case I want to hide this. So go ahead and tap on these three dots here, and then from this you'll see we have an option either to trash. If we trash, it will be deleted. However, we want just to hide it. To hide it, tap on the option called move to archive, and then tap on it, and now it has been moved to archive. Now if you go to the profile, you see that post is missing. Now, should you at one point want to recover that post that you have just archived, it is quite simple. Just head over to this menu by tapping on your profile here, and then under it scroll down until you see the option called settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now tap on settings, and then here scroll down until you get to your activity section. Now under this, look for the option called activity log. Tap on it, and now here you can see we have archive. If you go ahead and tap on archive, you can see our recently archived post is here and the status is archived. To recover it, just check this box, or you can also just use this option here and then use restore to profile. So once you have checked this box, now tap on restore and then confirm restore, and the item now will be restored back to our profile. And now it has been restored. And now if I go back to the main profile, I should be able to find it. So let's go back. And now let me go to my profile and tap on my name. And within a moment, now you can see our post has been recovered and it is now on my profile. So this might take some few minutes. If you don't see it immediately, you might need to restart your smartphone, and then you will see your post has been recovered. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.